Hey friend. Savings and debt is your future self money. Building an emergency fund, contributing to retirement accounts, paying extra on debt, or saving for big goals like a house deposit. Now let's see what this actually looks like with real numbers. Take Alex in the United States with a net monthly income of $4,800. Needs, $2,400. Wants, $1,440. Savings and debt, $960. Alex used to feel broke every month. After switching to 50-30-20, they paid off their credit card in 9 months and still took a weekend trip to the mountains. Now, meet Maria and her family in Spain with a net household income of 3,200 euros. Needs, 1,600 euros. Wants, 960 euros. Savings and debt, 640 euros. They told me the first month felt tight, but within 3 months, they had an actual emergency fund for the first time in years. If your take-home pay is $3,000, that means needs equals $1,500, wants equals $900, savings and debt equals $600. Pause right now and write your 3 numbers down. I'll wait. I've advised clients for 20 years, so I know the common challenges. First, my needs are more than 50%, especially in expensive cities. That's normal at first. Track for 1 month, then look for small cuts. Cheaper phone plan, carpooling, negotiating rent. Many clients drop from 60% to 52% within 90 days. You can even run 60-20-20 temporarily while you fix the needs side. Second, I can't tell needs from wants. Your morning coffee habit. If you can make it at home, it's a want. Gym membership you actually use? Want. One you pay for but never go to? Still a want, and maybe time to cancel it. Third, this feels restrictive. Actually, it gives you permission to spend guilt-free on wants once needs and savings are covered. That's the magic. Here's your super simple 3-step plan to start this week. 1. Find your exact after-tax monthly income from last month's bank statement. 2. Divide it, 50%, 30%, 20%, and write the amounts on a sticky note or in your phone. 3. For the next 30 days, sort every expense into one of the 3 buckets. Most people see huge aha moments in the first 2 weeks. The 50-30-20 rule isn't about perfection, it's about direction. My clients who stuck with it for just 6 months consistently built emergency funds, paid down debt faster, and finally started enjoying their money instead of stressing about it. You've got this. Right now, pause this video and calculate your 3 numbers. Then try it for 30 days. When you do, Come back and comment below. I tried 50, 30, 20. Here's my biggest win. I read every single comment and love celebrating your progress with you. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next practical money strategy. You're one simple rule away from feeling in control of your money. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.